right, today's property tour, we're back at the Pedregal and we're gonna meet one of our luxury agents, Isabel Soto. And she's had this property on the market for several months via Vista Soleada. And I've never visited the house, and that's why I wanted to see the house this morning along with you and see why it hasn't sold. It has had price reductions and it's a brand new house. There's been interest in a lot of tours, but this is not uncommon in the real estate market where you will have listings that are priced right. They seem to have all of the check boxes checked, but it still doesn't sell. So I want to walk through the house with you and show you the house along with my set of eyes, first impressions, and see how we can help Isabel and ultimately, most importantly, our client, our seller, who built this house in the Pedregal, downtown Cabo, gated community, plus year proven vacation rental community. And this house is actually located on the Pacific side. There are several of our clients that have purchased and sold homes here, currently still own homes, and the vacation rental potential is very strong in the Pedregal. And to have an opportunity to buy a property under $2 million, I'm excited to see this and get the tour along with you. Hold tight, we're almost there. All right, we've made it, come on in. Hey Isabel, how are you?
Hi Nick, how are you? Welcome to Vista Soleada. Thank you for coming.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please come in.
Okay.
As soon as you get in, you will notice the natural light of this house and how everything is connected. Kitchen, living area, dining area. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 of them with direct ocean view, and the 4th bedroom with views from the balcony.
So the kitchen
is almost ready. It's almost completed. The new appliances are coming soon. We are in the last stage of construction. Finishes are being done. So the kitchen is almost ready.
Do we know what kind of appliances? What brand?
They haven't purchased the appliances. So
Okay.
it's still waiting for an owner, a buyer, to decide what kind of appliances have. So if we don't have any offered in the near future, he will be deciding which ones and will get them soon.
Okay. So the standard stuff, refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, and
Yeah,
wait, where's
dishwashers, and here it will go the stuff,
the stove
counter
on
stuff,
here. Okay.
counter stuff.
All right.
On the top.
So this is a brand new build. When was construction started?
This one, construction started in 2024,
Okay.
like around 2 months, but they're still doing the last touches.
How long has the property been on the market?
It has been on the market since December for 200 days.
Okay.
So you have here the pantry, and it's a good size pantry. This room was the original idea. It is as a family room, and it could be just a regular bedroom. You have this nice view, and you have access to the pool terrace too.
Is this counting as the 4th bedroom?
This one is counting as a 4th bedroom because it's, it's a bedroom with a full bathroom. It's just, the main idea was a family room.
All right.
This is the laundry room. This is the maid's quarters, or the flex room that I was telling you. It has a full bathroom also. So the house has 6 full bathrooms.
6 full bathrooms. That's nice.
Yes.
I could also see that space being used as a home office.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm mentioning, that as a flex room, because it could be any, right? Or like a small yoga place, So like if high ceilings, a lot of natural light, it's bright and it's all connected, and it gives you this Cabo living, the outside living. So for me, this house offers something that is getting harder to find in Pedregal, brand new homes with ocean views and a great entry price.
So you originally started at what price when you hit the market?
We hit the market at $1,599,000. We lowered to $1,995,000, and now we are $1,795,000.
Okay.
Maybe.
Big price
Big
reductions.
price reduction. This is ready for a new owner for a new chapter. Is blank canvas for someone that wants to, furnish and customize. So we'll give the opportunity for the new owner to just do it their own way.
Where should we go from here?
Let's go to the bedrooms.
Okay.
This one has this nice balcony here, and that offers this view.
Feels like this area could use a hammock. That would be really nice to have an anchor here and here on the wall and with the ocean view.
So, it's nice. So it has a closet and full bathroom here.
So Isabel, did you sell the client the lot, or did the client buy the lot on his
He
own?
purchased pre-construction.
Uh-huh. Okay, so originally this was purchased for the owner's primary use. as
Well,
rental?
he wanted to put it on vacation rental
Mhm.
and use it occasionally,
Okay.
but he slight change and he's not going to be able to use it. So he decided to put it on the market. This is a huge area. This is the primary bedroom. So you have a good sized balcony and terrace there.
It's a big terrace.
It's a big terrace that you can have private jacuzzi, it has a
I'm
sitting
actually
area.
surprised on how good the view is. Because that house our client built via Pacifica 123, and we had it on the market for $3.5 million. And it's probably 4 or 5 stories lower than we are.
See, so you are noticing here the opportunity, right? So like if you're looking at Pedregal, you will see that they are with homes with this view are over $2 million easily, right? And many of them are older. With this one, you are getting a brand new home, modern design, 4 bedrooms, ocean views from almost everywhere in the house. And it's everything for less than 1.8 millions,
So this is a big walk-in closet area, the bathroom with a primary.
Views from here, views from there.
What's interesting about this lot is it's not very deep. It's pretty shallow, but it's very wide with the ocean view.
And the high ceilings, given this, it feels open,
And everything's white, a blank canvas.
Yes, so I think this is also good for new owners, right? So this is for someone that wants to take this as a project. It might be things that they want to change or do it better, right? But that also is reflected in the price.
Right.
We are considering that in the price.
Double vanity sink, shower. I do have some observations that I could see a discerning buyer, that $3.5 million buyer, being not too happy with in terms of finishes.
I understand. I agree with you, but the bones of the house are good. If this is for someone that wants to be in Pedregal, that doesn't want to spend over $2 million, but wants to have these ocean views.
Yep.
It's a 4-bedroom home, great for families, great for entertaining, a lot of potential for vacation rental. So either for someone that wants to, for a personal use or as an investment, I think this is a great opportunity. And, the things that you are mentioning, things are easy to change. If you don't like the carpentry or the quality of the carpentry, that's an easy fix. Just come remove everything and you do it your own way.
So that's been a common feedback?
Feedback has been about the carpentry that is not everybody likes, but I see that as an easy fix and it's not that expensive, and it gives you the opportunity to do it your own way,
Yeah, I could see definitely people maybe redoing the kitchen, the bathrooms, closets, but with the last price reduction and even the first price reduction.
Here was this was designed for the elevator. The seller decided not to install one. So this is the garage. That space that you see here, the seller wanted to have a small kids playground,
Okay.
just a playroom for the kids. So it has a full bathroom also. This one represents an opportunity. It's a great entry price point. And if someone just bring it to a potential, this house could be more than $2.5 million house. So the investment that is required is not that much. For a final product, it will, price will be higher.
So you have a 10,000 liter water system?
Yes.
And this is a 3-car garage.
Correct, yes.
Let's go back up. I don't think we saw the pool area. I also noticed that the pool is low on water.
Yes, because they're gonna be doing some work in the pool. They're installing LED lights in the steps.
Okay.
So that's why they're working. They're empty the pool to put the.
It also, this stone is kind of odd. I could see someone maybe redoing the tile. Has that been a comment?
No, not really. It's actually a good quality stone what has been installed here, because I do remember my client mentioning that. But just like now, they need to put the steps and the LED lights.
What about the terrace floor? I noticed this terrace floor is very similar to the upper bedroom terrace. Have you received any comments about like a better finish?
I did once, but same thing. I mean, this is something inexpensive to change if you don't like the finishes or the type of flooring that this area has. That's a very easy fix, and inexpensive.
Tell us about the community, Isabel. I mean, in this house, we see the tennis court, pickleball.
You see that we have a good location. You see that, right? I mean, you're very close to the amenities, the tennis, pickleball courts, and the cafeteria, the coffee shop. And you also have here the mountain club, just around the corner, right? I mean, just right in that area. So I believe it has a very good location. And, just a semi-private beach is just
down the hill.
We are in the Pedregal. It's Cabos' most established and well-known community. And Pedregal offers this privacy, but at the same time, you are very close to downtown. So it's a community that a lot of buyers are looking for. And, and I might sound like preparing this, but for me, this is a great opportunity for a buyer looking that wants to be in Pedregal and doesn't want to spend a lot of money.
Okay, let me summarize the tour. Thank you for the tour, first off. This is a great listing. This is a great opportunity for a buyer investor looking for a brand new home. What we have is a house that is a brand new build, that is 4 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, private pool, 3-car garage. Original price?
Solar panels.
We didn't hear solar panels. How many solar panels are on the house?
10, I believe.
10, okay. 10 solar panels. The owner will put in appliances to the buyer's specifications. Original list price was over 2.5 back in December of last year.
Yes.
And did one price reduction under 2 million, and just recently it's now at just under 1.8 million.
To be honest, we still have some room for negotiation.
Okay.
So,
and how would this be positioned across the other listings opportunities for a buyer in Pedregal? Is it the least expensive ocean view house?
I think currently this is one of the best value opportunities in Pedregal. Just look at the view. There are not many brand new homes with this view and at this price point, and it's 4 bedrooms. So this is what this house, sells. It just have a brand new home, modern design, great ocean view. I mean, you see the Pacific almost from everywhere in the house, right? And not even those higher priced homes offers the view from almost everywhere in the house, right? And everything is connected. So if it's a great for entertaining a family. So the outside blends with the inside. So I think I like the floor plan because it's easy,
Isabel, thank you for this opportunity. I think the buyer that will be the new owner of this house is someone that wants a great community, a great price point, under $2 million, well under $2 million, and to customize not only the furniture, but also the finishes, whether it's the carpentry, the kitchen, the bathrooms, the outdoor living area. Isabel Soto is the listing agent. If you have any questions, you be sure to contact her,
Yes.
me, or anyone at Ronival. But this is, I think, with the recent price adjustment, this one should sell.
Yes, no, I do believe so. I mean, I like the house and what it offers, and I'm just waiting for that person that has the vision, and is willing to take this property to its potential.
And everyone, there's never a perfect house, but there's a perfect opportunity for the right buyer and investor.
Exactly.
And Vista Soleada is that house. Trust me, I've been here for over 20 years, and to buy a brand new 4-bedroom house in the Pedregal with Pacific Ocean views, you can't do it. Until the next one, bye for now.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.